Carter's administration is notably recognized for the Camp David Accords, which were pivotal in fostering peace between Israel and Egypt. This diplomatic milestone marked a transformative moment in Middle Eastern politics. Following his presidency, Carter established the Carter Center, which is dedicated to promoting human rights and alleviating suffering globally. This center's initiatives have garnered him international acclaim for his ongoing humanitarian efforts. In 2002, Carter received the Nobel Peace Prize, a testament to his extensive humanitarian work and his lifelong dedication to global health and democracy. This recognition underscores his profound influence and enduring legacy in the field of peace advocacy. Gore's vice presidency was characterized by his strong push for ecological policies and efforts to enhance government efficiency. His unwavering commitment to addressing climate change has left a lasting impact. Bill Nelson's political career spans several decades, beginning in 1972 and featuring his prominent role as NASA administrator since 2021. His extensive background in both politics and space exploration holds significant regard. Chuck Grassley's remarkable political journey began in the 1970s with a focus on agricultural policies and fiscal conservatism. His long-standing service in the Senate exemplifies unwavering dedication to public service and advocacy. Biden encountered personal tragedy early in his career, yet continued to thrive in the Senate, gaining admiration for his contributions to major legislation. His bipartisan approach became a distinctive feature of his political persona. As vice president under Barack Obama, Biden played an instrumental role in advancing significant initiatives such as the Affordable Care Act and navigating the 2008 financial crisis. His influence extended to both global diplomacy and domestic policy. Biden's presidency is marked by a commitment to tackle climate change, spur economic recovery, and foster national unity. His choice to endorse Kamala Harris for succession reflects his dedication to a seamless transition and the values of democracy. Henry Waxman's congressional tenure was distinguished by his advocacy for health care and environmental protection. He significantly contributed to landmark legislation, such as the Clean Air Act, shaping policy for future generations. Both Waxman and Brown exemplify resilience and adaptability in their careers, continuing to influence public discourse and policy even after leaving their official positions. Their legacies remain relevant in contemporary politics. Jerry Brown's political journey includes pivotal roles as California's governor and mayor of Oakland, where he prioritized fiscal responsibility and urban revitalization. His progressive policies have left a lasting mark on the state's landscape. Hart's presidential aspirations were evident through his attempts at the Democratic nomination in both 1984 and 1988, highlighting his political ambitions and impact on the party. After his Senate career, Hart transitioned into academia and national security, where he has influenced a new generation of scholars and policymakers through his teachings at esteemed institutions. Tom Harkin's career reflects a steadfast commitment to social justice and disability rights, playing a crucial role in legislation such as the Americans with Disabilities Act during his lengthy political tenure. Both Nunn and Mary stress the significance of education and public service, having pursued higher education and devoted their lives to community and national service. Nunn's impactful political career included vital positions in committees, focusing on armed services and investigations, significantly enhancing national security. His legacy continues to shape current security policies. Mary's extensive advocacy in climate change and renewable energy reflects a deep commitment to progressive ideals and environmental stewardship, marking him as a significant influence in modern political discourse.